Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the exact settings panel needed. Press Windows plus I or Search Control panel to save time. Once there, go to Personalization, then Lock Screen, and click Screensaver Settings to open the dialog. Make sure you have the image folder or option you want ready so you don't interrupt the flow. This first step sets the stage. It tells the system where to pull images or which animation to use and prevents backtracking once you change preferences. Once the dialog is open, pick the screensaver type that matches your goal, photos for slideshows or blank for power savings. Next, set the wait time. This controls when the saver activates, and use preview to confirm appearance. If you want security, check on Resume, display logon screen so you require a password. For photo savers, browse to the image folder, choose Shuffle if desired, and make sure images are properly sized to avoid stretching. This is where details matter. Finish by clicking Apply and OK, then test immediately with preview or by waiting the set time so you see the result. If images fail to appear, make sure the folder is accessible and contains supported formats like JPG or PNG. Permissions can block access. If the saver won't start at all, restart the display driver or reboot the computer, and make sure power settings aren't preventing idle activation. That quick troubleshooting tip usually resolves permission or driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.